Hello friends, welcome to my studio. My name is Lyric Montgomery Kinard and I'm a textile artist. I love making portraits out of fabric and I can teach you how to do it too. I have a class online called Playful Portraiture. In the class, I'll teach you everything you need to know for creating your own quilted portraits. I'll teach you how to choose good photos, how to trace those photos and create shapes for appliqué. We'll talk about how important color is not and how important value really is. And I'll take you through construction methods for a fusible appliqué portrait from start to finish. The first thing you need to do when you're looking to make a pattern for an appliqué portrait is to find something that's very clear where you can see the features easily. You can barely see the bottom of her chin and the sides of her nose, but the important parts you can see clearly. I adore this photo of my grandmother, but I can't see parts of her face, and when I blow it up big, it's almost impossible to see. So this technique will not work well with this photograph. To begin making a pattern for appliqué, I use an inexpensive LED light table. There's a link down in the comments. This is a picture of my daughter. I've taken it in black and white because it's much easier to see without color, and printed out full size in a page. And then I'm just taking a simple sheet of tracing paper, and the first thing you do is trace the easiest parts to see. Her eyebrows are very easy to see, her iris, her pupil, trace the whites of her eyes. Her nostrils are easy to see, her lips, the top, the separation of them, and the bottom are easy to see. And then the outside edges of her face. I kind of need to make up the chin or check underneath the tracing paper to see where I want to put that. Outsides of her ears. I might change her earrings later. And her hairline. I teach this class with lots of techniques and lots of beginning to end, how to make decisions on where to put your lines and how to think in shapes and how to make a fused appliqué portrait out of cloth. We talk about color and value and construction techniques from start to finish. The class is called Playful Portraiture. You can find a link for it online at lyrickinard.com. I hope to see you there. I hope you'll join me. You can see the link for signing up for this on-demand class right down there in the comments. The class is on demand, meaning that all the content is recorded, you sign up, and you get everything all at once, and then you can work at it at your own pace. Now, there is space for posting your questions and posting photos of your work. I answer every single question so that you have my help all along the way. I hope to see you there.